Road tripping, get a DECRA safety check first. A proactive approach to a trouble-free road trip on your next family holiday starts with the vehicle safety check. It is quick and thorough and can even be done the same day that you're planning on leaving. A safety check covers 21 safety items of your vehicle and is undertaken by a qualified DECRA vehicle examiner, making sure that your vehicle is safe and ready for your next big family vacation. Best of all, it is easy on your pocket, but big on safety. In absence of a periodical roadworthy test, and if the safety of your family really matters, a DECRA safety check will ensure a trouble-free trip. Safer, roadworthy vehicles will reduce loss of life caused by unroadworthy, unsafe vehicles. Being proactive and taking preventative measures to ensure your own safety and that of your loved ones on our roads is not something to compromise on. Visit our website today to find the closest DECRA outlet to you to do a quick and painless vehicle check that will put your mind at ease and ensure the safety of your loved ones on your next big road trip, says Garth Johnson, CEO of DECRA Automotive. Book your vehicle safety check today at any of DECRA's 40 nationwide quality vehicle inspection centers. DECRA, for your peace of mind.